Okay.
When we built MenuSano, we never really thought about marketing at all. That wasn't even like part of what we were doing in the beginning. We're a software development company, and we're really good at developing software, and we did that really well. But then when it came time to, market the product, kind of getting it off the ground was a very manual process. We were still doing very traditional marketing. Fast forward to 6 years later, we have an entire marketing team that's dedicated to marketing our products in every aspect. So when I look at where we are now and I look at where we started, I mean, the gap is huge. There's so much that we've changed, added, included, and just like learned that we didn't even know. And one of the big pieces of that was having to hire the right people to do the job. Get the people with the skills to get you to the next level is a huge piece of it. And I think that was our biggest success, was really getting the professionals that we needed for those roles.